You've done it 100 times. In a meeting, in a quiet room, you feel a sneeze coming, and you hold it in. A 34-year-old man in the UK did exactly that, and ruptured his throat. A sneeze is a biological pressure cannon. It builds to release. When you block both your nose and your mouth simultaneously, that pressure has nowhere to go. It turns inward, multiplied, up to 20 times the force of a normal sneeze, directed at the delicate tissue lining your throat. When doctors examined him, they heard something that stopped them cold. In time, with every heartbeat, a crunching sound. Air bubbles that had escaped through the tear in his throat were now trapped inside his chest cavity, crackling against your heart with every single beat. And it's not just your throat. That same blocked pressure can rupture your eardrums, burst blood vessels in your eyes, in extreme cases, trigger a rupture in the vessels feeding your brain. A cerebral aneurysm. From a sneeze you were too polite to release. The man survived. 7 days in hospital. 2 weeks unable to swallow without pain. Doctors published his case with one specific warning. Never block both your nose and mouth at the same time. Sneeze into your elbow. Sneeze into a tissue. Sneeze at the ceiling if you have to. Just sneeze. Your throat was not built to swallow a hurricane.